Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Jenny. I wasn't in school today. I only usually take one day off a year, and today is that day. My husband and I take a day off together to go Christmas shopping, and spend time with each other, kind of catch up because our fall is so busy. So I wasn't in school today, and last week we did not have a department coordinators meeting, and we're supposed to have a department meeting tomorrow. And I don't think there's anything to discuss. I've checked in with all the other department coordinators, and none of them have said that they have anything to discuss, and several of them have canceled their meetings. So I just figured I would send this message out to say, hey, take tomorrow to fill out those surveys that Eric sent about the restorative justice, and if you want to be on the climate committee, and enjoy your half hour before students come in tomorrow morning. Me being out, I know mine's going to be a little crazy tomorrow morning. But anyway, and if I don't get to see you, I hope that each and every one of you have a great and relaxing break. Lord knows we deserve it. If I don't get to see you, I hope you have a great holiday and a great break, and I hope you come back refreshed and ready to take on the second half of the year. So I will see you soon, and take care and be safe.